gives me immense pleasure and a deep sense of honor to be here as a part of this program on this occasion of state level annual tribal dance competition organized by the Tribal Welfare Department. I sincerely appreciate the efforts of the department for consistently organizing this program, this important cultural event every year. Tripura, as we all know, is a land of rich cultural heritage and vibrant tribal traditions. These dance programs are not just performances, they are expressions of our history, our values, our relationship with nature, agriculture, and our collective identity. Through rhythm, movement, and music, our young artists narrate stories that have been passed down through generations. This competition, or any competition amongst the children, provides a meaningful platform for our talented children to showcase their skills, creativity, and discipline. I am truly impressed by the enthusiasm and dedication of the participants who have come here from different parts of the state. Your performances will reflect not only your talent but also your hard work, perseverance, and respect for the tradition. You are here. I also commend the judges for their sincere efforts that they will be putting on in evaluating the performances with fairness and sensitivity. Cultural activities such as this play a vital role in preserving and promoting the tribal heritage, especially among the younger generation, the students community. At the same time, they help to build confidence, discipline, and a spirit of healthy competition. I encourage all the participants to continue pursuing art and culture alongside education, as both are essential for holistic development. I once again congratulate all the participants for reaching this stage. I wish the competition every success and hope this program continues to grow in scale and impact in the years to come.